Does this happen to any other dog owners where you're just laying on the couch, relaxing? I'm even laying here with my cat in my lap. Then all of a sudden, this atrocious smell comes over you, and you realize it's your golden retriever across the room sleeping, farting up a storm, and doesn't even realize it. Doesn't bother him whatsoever, and you just have to sit in it until it passes. No, just me.